Are you ready to start your next color lesson? In this chapter, I'm going to demonstrate how to create dimension that gives soft and subtle ribbons of color. This technique is a great way to show off texture in the hair, from short bouncy waves to long loose curl. To begin this technique, I first section from the top of the head to behind the ear, and along the parietal ridge. In the back of the head, I make a triangle section including the point of distribution. Everything on the top of the head gets sectioned away as well. Now that I am beginning to apply the color, I subsection the back into two sections, top and bottom. Taking horizontal slices, I use a finger weaving technique to select my ribbon highlight placement. Finger weaving is when you take a slice, then slide your fingers through the parting, separating the hair into clear, distinct sections. Once you can clearly see the different sections, then you will select every other weave to apply color to. Next, I place the selected weaves on top of my foil and begin to apply color. Because I'm working in the back bottom, I only apply color through the midshaft and ends. The color is placed in this area because it's the only place that the color is visual. To lock the foil in place, I angle the ends of the foil inward, creating a no-slip packet. I continue to finger weave my next section and apply my color to be consistent with the previous. I work my way up the back of the head until I meet my top triangle section. As you can see, I drop the triangle section down and begin working horizontally, taking large effect weaves, placing my color through the mids and the ends. I still lock my foils so they don't slip by folding in the corners. As I work my way up the head, I make sure and bricklay the strong effect weaves. Occasionally I slightly backcomb the weaves to give a softer effect, especially near the top of the head where the dimension begins to show the detail of the hair color. Now that I'm beginning the side panels of the hair, I choose to take diagonal partings to give her the softest, most natural effect. Here I place the color all the way to the scalp because she may choose to pull her hair back and we want to be able to see soft dimension through the front area. As I work my way back, I pivot the partings from diagonal to slightly more vertical until I'm completely vertical. These vertical partings will fall on each other, giving a variation in the strength of ribbon effect of the hair color. As I continue to the top panel of the head, I take strong effect weaves working vertically back, only applying color from the mid-lengths to the ends. This gives a natural ribbon effect without the mandatory maintenance later. Once the color is all applied, let it process and treat and tone as needed. As you can see, the final effect gives her natural ribboned highlights that shows off her texture and style. It's a great way to introduce new guests to easy maintenance dimension. Give this technique a try, and thanks for joining me.